Today we'll discuss about IBM WAS 9.0.5 certification questions. Okay. Course code, course code C 1000 hyphen 174. Okay. Course code. Okay. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay. First question. First question. First question. An administrator. Administrator notice said that one of the server in the core group in experiencing in experiencing out of memory out of memory as a result out of memory as a result comma other servers in the core group in the core group failed core group failed to start to start failed to start. Okay. Now what core group what core group what core group custom property what is the core group custom property should The administrator should administrator tune to affected server from impacting impacting other other servers in the core group. In the core group, what is the answer? Okay. Options. Option number one. Option number A. IBM underscore CS underscore out of memory underscore action. Option number B. IBM underscore CS underscore high availability manager underscore protocol underscore version. Option number C. IBM underscore CS underscore data stack underscore meg and D. IBM underscore CS underscore wire underscore format underscore version. This is the options. Answer is A is the answer. IBM underscore CS underscore OOM out of memory underscore action. That is option A. Okay. In the core group node to be failed to start, we need to add the custom property. In the custom property, name is we can put and value name is IBM CS out of memory and we can put statement and is for statement is true, value is true. Okay, we can use IBM underscore CS. Okay, under CS underscore out of memory issues. Okay, that is first one. Wait, 5 more, 1 minute. After that, what is okay? Second question, question number two. What is the default programming model for application deployment, application development in IBM WebSphere application server, IBM WebSphere application server, IBM WebSphere application server. That is question and options. Option number A, servlets and JSP. Servlets and JSPs. Option number B, Java Beans. Option number C, Spring Framework. Option number D, EJBs, Enterprise Java Beans. Okay, what is answer is option A. In WebSphere application server, we are using JCL and JSON and Python and JavaScript and servlets is the WebSphere. In EJBs and all the things we are using servlets and JSPs. For web containers, we are using application deployment. Where file is there? In the where file, we can use JSPs and servlets. Okay, in where file consists of servlets and JSPs. JSPs, that is nothing but web container. In the web container, we are using where file consists of servlets and JSPs. That is answer A. Okay. I will give sample questions, not exactly. Okay. Third one. Third one. What is the purpose of what is the purpose of the server? What is the purpose of the server? Status tool. What is the purpose of server status tool in IBM WebSphere application servers? Application servers. Options. Option A, it checks the it checks the it checks the status of individual server instances, that is option A. Option B, it reports network latency issues. Option C, and it log servers historical performance. Options D, it monitors the physical servers CPU usage. Everybody knows answer. Option A, while doing the server status, it will show status of individual server. Go to OPT IBM WebSphere application server and bin run dot slash server status dot sh. We can run, go to slash OPT IBM WebSphere app server and profiles and DMGR01 and bin. We can run the below command dot slash server status dot sh hyphen all. It will deliver the server status of individual instances instances, that is start or stop status will be deliver the IBM product. Okay, that is question number 3. Okay, and question number 4. When configuring the IBM WebSphere application server to use LDAP which of the following is used to connect to the LDAP server. Options. Option A, primary administrator username. Option B, base distinguished name. And option C, operating system username. Option D, it will get bind distinguished name. Okay, that is answer is option B. Answer is B. Base and bind distinguished name. And LDAP means in this base distinguished name, first in this yard there is 4 repositories is available in the IBM VAS LDAP purpose base DN, comma, host name of LDAP and port number, and password of the LDAP. Okay, 389 or 636 non-secure or secure port numbers. Okay, this is we are using in this real-time scenarios. After that, question number 5. Which type of profile provides provides management capabilities for multiple stand-alone application servers? Options. One is option A, custom. Option B, administrative agent. Option C, secure proxy. Option D, deployment manager. Answer is answer is somebody we have used option A. No, option B is the right answer. Okay, administrative agent. Okay, provides management capabilities means administrative agent is the management capabilities to use as a profile templates, and deployment manager also use, but here using which type of profile provide management capable multiple standard alone application servers they are using. Multiple means we are using administrative agent profile we are using. Okay, like that we are using. Right, I will connect the charging. Question number 6. Which protocol is commonly used for the automatic automatic configuration and management of network devices. Somebody using answers TCP and TCP they are using. No. SNMP tool. Option A TCP. Option B SNMP. Option C HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. And option D using IPsec. Okay. Answer is option B. He is the right answer. Assuming there are no assuming the assuming there are no there are no custom properties defined in current plugin cfg.xml XML file. What should be done before running the then plugin cfg command. Options. Option A clear the enable automated web server configuration processing options. Option in the web server plugin configuration service. Option B delete the global plugin cfg.xml XML in the profile root directory / config / cells directory. Option D delete the current plugin cfg.xml in the profile _ root / slash config slash cells directory. Option D. Option D. Use either integrated solution solutions console or the configure web service server definition web server definition nation.jcl script to to create the web server web server definition. Okay, this is not delete. This is certification repeated question. Answer is C. Delete current plugin cfg.xml in the profile root directory and configuration cells. In this generate plugin command uses in profile config cells. We can generate in this HTTP server. There is plugin cfg.xml is there. We can use okay like this. Question number 8. Question number 8. Which type of a multiple multi tier architecture manages the business rules and process options. Application server, application tier. Option B. presentation presentation tier. C. Data tier. Option D. Communication tier. Communication means network tier. Answer A. Application tier. The multi-tier means presentation layer, application layer, business consider about application tier and a database tier. Okay, and middleware. There is multi-tier architecture is there. One is presentation type. One is application type. Next one is data type. Without application, there is no presentation layer. Without business application type, there is no data storing type. Okay, in this application consists of business logic. Okay, in this business logic, perform different actions. Okay, that is this is the main configuration for data file application type. That wise, there this is option. Okay, okay. Question number 9. Which of the following which of the following in a package manager for JavaScript? Options. Option A, composer. In this, option B, pip. Option C, npm. Option D, maven. Okay. Option C, answer. Option C, npm. npm. Okay. Which of the following which of the following gives clues when comparing the traces different process and correlating correlating event of different servers in the same data center. Options. Option A, time stamping. Option B, message IDs. Okay, in this, and thread ID. Option D, exception from top of stack trace answer is answer A in the logs in the system out dot log will delivers the timestamp of the thread or exception comparing any traces. Okay, like this. Question number 11. An administrator remove the node remove the node remove the node but all the resources associated with the deleted node still exist exist exist. What can be what can the administrator do the ensure the node configuration is removed from the cell repository. Options A, we can use perform node sync via IBM integrated solution console. Option B, run the command clean up node. Option C, re re federate and remove the node. Option D, we can use run the command sync node. Answer is B. Answer is B. We can after removing, we can clean up is there. We can command is there. We can use /opt IBM WebSphere app server under that profiles appsrv01 under the bin. We can use /cleanup node.sh is command is there. We can use the command I will show you After removing the node from the console, it will shows deleted, but still exit. Remove the config, still exit means you can clean up the node from the cell configurations. Then it will be defederated completely successful. There is remove the node from the console means it will remove it. It will be separate from the DMGR means it will two console is will be happened. Two consoles nothing but one is DMGR and one is app server. Before federation, there must and should be two consoles. Okay. After federation, two consoles merge and one console is there. See, CDOPT WebSphere app server profiles. Under that app server one bin. See, clean up node.sh is the script in the DMGR level. ls. Okay. After removing, we are using clean up node. Okay. After removing, this is the command is there. You can clean up the node means clean entire thing. I will show you the evidence. Okay, it will take time. You will do in your back your server. Question number 12. A administrator has configured memory to memory is M2M. Can call it about memory to memory session persistence for a large WebSphere application server ND product ND cluster with a dedicated data replication services DRS domain. How can keep the DRS domain services domain secure? Options: option A, select encryption type DES and triple underscore DES and regenerate the encryption key periodically. Option B, nothing needs to be done needs to be done. The environment is secured when using M2M using M2M session persistence. After that, select encryption type DES and triple underscore triple DES. Option D, select DCS hyphen secure as transport transport chain under core group name. Okay. Answer is B. Select DCS secure as a transport chain under core group name. Okay, that is the answer. That is, these are question is part one. I will share you part two in upcoming sessions. Please save.